Hello, crypto enthusiasts and crypto traders. Welcome to my YouTube channel, NFT Tech. In this video, I am going to share about KuCoin Global Level Exchange campaign updates, how you can participate, and what are the campaigns in which you can also grab the reward. And there, you can also complete the task you will be given reward. If you are, for the first time, you can get link in my video description. This video is for educational purpose. First of all, you can check. There is also campaign props, new token affiliate, where you can join this event. There is also time has been mentioned, where you can also get some rules and regulations too. Like this is the prize pool, 22 lakh props will be given for that. First of all, during this campaign, you can also get 100 props when you are going to complete your registration for the KYC, and you can accumulate the props at least 200 on the KuCoin exchange. And additionally, if you are going to invite, you will also get per eligible your friends 150 props, and so on. There is also pulled you where you can also start the 3-leg. 50,000 props will be given as the trading competition. First of all, you need to start $200 in the props. And this is trading amount, and trading amount will be increased to $10,000 in all tokens. You will also be given, here this is the reward. First come first, serve. There is also props. If you want to join, you can click on the register account. If you want to create account as your first time, you can also put here your email address, and then you can also put your refer code. And after the terms and conditions that have been given here, you can click on the create account and you can easily claim the reward. There are a lot of campaigns as well, so if you want to log in there, you can also check new. There are also 40 million plus coin user, so be ready. And this is one of the leading exchange, so you can also join the KuCoin. I guess the trading challenges to 1 million USD price pool. For that, you can also check, this is the campaign time. And 31st, I guess is lasted before. That you can also join. There is also KuCoin reward, as you are trading in Whitey's mean. If you are going to invite persons as a team, they will start trading. Accumulate. There will be reward ratio and so on. Their terms and condition have been given as KuCoin August Trading Challenge. Next, you can check CIC get listed on the KuCoin for that. There you can also start trading. Invite members who will also grab here 65,000 CIC reward as a token. There is also 21st August was the last date. And next you can also check. Here is also inviting friends. You will also get 30,000 CIC prize pool. And once you have do all the operations, like doing registration, KYC and CYC trading, at least $200 on KuCoin, you will also get a reward, 3 Lafayette. Like there is also 35,000 CIC prize pool for the trading volume near about 10,000 in all tokens, and 200 at least on the KuCoin. Like there is eligible token as well. And next you can also check, as up, get listed on the KuCoin, that is also going to start it on 12th August. And August 22nd was the last date. And there you can also check. There was a lot of campaigns in which you can start trading. You can hold at least $200 in the specific token, eligible token, and you will be given reward. According to that, this is first come first serve, so you can easily grab the task that you have to register an account. And then, so there you can easily check that here it works. Actually, you have to invite friends. All one. You have to get this detail and pulled you, where you can also get that your overall trading. So in the eligible token, that is also either it is proven, it is also next day, and T, there is also the same details, and with the different price pool, you can also be one of the member who will join, and you can get the complete detail as well. I have already shown it to you that if you want to join, Then there is also the time has been mentioned campaign duration, as well as you are going to complete your KYC, your registration, and then you can also start your trading, at least $10,000 or $200. Then you can also grab the reward, and first come, first serve. Not only you can invite your fans to on the platform, so there you can share with your fans as athlete because you are going to inviting friends and you can make team as your trading volume will increase. Your fund is also going to giving you is also about your link will be provided in the video description. And you can also share to your fans. There is also desync get listed on KuCoin. There are a lot of, and with 40 million plus user working on it. So there, you can also get a lot of campaigns in which you can also participate. Not only you can also invite your fans. And there, you can even check out about the sleigh, get listed on KuCoin, and the same details how you are going to complete, first of all, registration. As I told you, first of all, how you are going to create account. And then you can also start trading in any trade. Like there is also sport reading. You can also proceed to the next one. If I show you next event, that is buy, get listed here, you can also participate. And there is also time has been mentioned how it is going to start and when it will be end in the reward center. You can also check. Everything is according to the campaign rules. So I hope you understand. And now you can also start the trade by clicking this link in the description box so you can chat with us and trading rules. You can even check out